So now we're back in Narmak, and I'm gonna go steal from your shack, buddy. Is there only one door? There's one door. That guy's facing the other way. They're kind of coming over here. We're gonna have to time this out. I ain't getting no bounty. That's not what I'm about. I love that. Lock level 20? I can probably do that. Lock level 20? I can probably do that in my sleep. Is anyone around? Yeet. Yeet. Okay. Yeet. Yeet. I'll get there. Wait, why am I not... If someone sees me, am I not technically stealth? Wow. Okay, I saw it for a second, so that means I was out of someone's sight. Who sees me? Is it you? You're facing the other way. You're kind of coming over here. Who sees me? Just like every week. Oh. Lockpicking makes invisibility go away. Huh. Forgot about that. Don't go away. Who sees me? I'm trying to break into a Caryarel shack. But it's not giving me full stealth. Okay, so maybe you're the one that was seeing me. Oh wait, I have to put my sword. Now let's try. I like how you can lockpick a door and fail, and no one cares. But if you successfully do it, then they care. Look the other way. Look the other way. Turn around. There you go. Really? I'm still not stealthed yet? I don't think I have a chameleon potion. Okay, nope, they reported it.
You will address me with respect.
Oh, will I? Give me the Chapel Limeware Bowl. I want to break in, but this is so much more difficult than it needs to be. Why was no one reporting it before? Maybe this will work, and I'm just being dumb. Eventually, I have to get it, right? I did it. Okay. That was much harder than it needed to be. It's gotta be in this chest. Where's the bowl? Is it plate? Oh my gosh, I totally forgot about Ondusi's unhinging. Where's the thing? Is it on him? I didn't think it was on him. In one of the barrels is the limeware bowl. Bowl in a chest under his house? I can check under his house. It's in a barrel. Oh wait. There it is. It just, I figured it would be very highlighted, but no, everything just blends in because it's all one color. Chapel limeware bowl, value 1,000. And I can't carry it. What do I have I can drop? What do I have 17 of? I have 17 scrolls of Ondusi's unhinging. Inventory management. You know what? I just remembered. I have 20 Kwama eggs. Don't need them. You know what? He can have them.